Hello everyone and welcome back to Lexi's vlog. So today is Tuesday and as well it is part 2. Today we are going to be finishing up the tree as we assembled it, and we're going to be putting the garland, everything that's in our box that's outside with all the Christmas stuff for this year's theme. And we finally figured out how we're going to put up the lights on the house, and we are gonna need to get like 4 more things from Home Depot. Mostly like the string lights, the colored ones. They're kind of like a neon-ish, but not like they're neon, but they're kind of like a light neon. I'll show you a picture of it, and then we're gonna get another blow up, a minion, if it's still there. If not, then I'll show you what we're gonna get. With that being said, let's get on with this video, everyone.
Mostly fine.
Alright, so I'm giving my little baby right here, who just turned 11 not long ago, some watermelon. And yes, I know there's seeds in it, but I take the seeds out. And this weekend, we are going to get her more food and snacks. So I'll probably make a vlog out of that one. Probably. Sometimes I feel self-conscious making vlogs in front of other people. I'm not an open person. I'm a very shy person, as you can tell, because my videos are always like with mainly my dad. And always like when we're by ourselves in stores too. So we'll see. Ready, Fatty?
I trust you to keep me honest.
Hold on, baby. Let me see. Trying to get the... Can you lay down for me?
You make me
No, lay down.
a better person. I don't always like it, but I need it.
Hold on. If though. Sorry, baby. No, lay down.
I need you.
Sit up. Up, up. Down. Good job.
You did it again. I did what?
Ready? Here you go. Right here. There you go. My dog is still blind, so for anyone that has not been on my channel for long, she lost her sight like a year ago, actually. Over a year. So
Merry Christmas Eve to you both. Yeah.
she started losing it in the summer of last year.
Well, I guess you both know
A lot of stuff happened last year that just went one after
I
another.
took what you both said to me into consideration, and in the end, it was an
Sit.
easy choice.
Lay down.
Mr. Gibson,
Sit up.
you're not gonna believe what's going on.
Up, up.
No, you have to see this.
Down.
No, come on.
Good job. Here, it's right here. I'll give you a few more. I give her like a total of 4 snacks a day. Just because I don't give her a lot of food, but I do give her enough. I don't starve my dog. I do give her enough food.
They don't care.
Here you go.
We started getting calls this afternoon, and everyone wanted to come out and spend Christmas together as a community. One community.
Here, at our shared town square. Liam, Sarah, I think it's time to make my announcement. Excuse me. After you. Hey, everybody. How you doing? How you guys doing? Excuse me. Good to see you guys. Everyone, this is just...
Alright, she's gonna be getting a few more. Ready? What do you do?
John Gibson from Stratford Candle Company is going to announce the
Okay.
winner of the Christmas Spirit Competition.
What do you do now?
Thank you.
No, that's last, baby.
Merry Christmas. I thought long and hard
What do you do?
about who to cast my vote for. And I heard some very persuasive
You lay down.
arguments from your mayors.
Lay down.
Liam
There you go.
told me that he thought that Easterton deserved to win. Sarah told me that she thought that Westerton deserved to win.
Good job, baby. Taking for these dogs for a walk. Oh, Fatty. Oh, Nike. Oh, He's gonna pee on the bag. Come on. Careful, babies. It's like 60 something right now. Come on, Fetty. And they're doing something down there. Hi, Niker. Go ahead, go, Fetty. Go to the restroom. Come on. Careful, Fetty. Come on. Careful. It's a lot of bacon.
I like bacon. I really like bacon a lot.
Are you cleaning that up?
Hi, Dad.
Fish on the car?
Oh boy, we gotta fix him some beer.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Mikey?
You couldn't let that could be.
He's right here. And then his little tongue is out.
You want to be here, you can be in a
Like
public
right the
area.
tree.
You have restrooms, showers, you have pools.
You know what? No thank you. We're scouts.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, stop.
I must have inhaled something.
She was. But you know what? Back then,
Maybe dirt
Betty Friedan and
or
What dirt?
lemon dust.
Lemon,
Could have been a lemon.
lemon dust. Oh yeah, hi, Dad.
No fucking flies today, man.
I'm thinking, and if you don't want to wear a dress for the wedding,
I think one got in.
There's always one that gets in, honestly.
I know, I saw some running around the windows of the neighbor's house.
Yep.
Very carefully open up the skin, go through over the back and the breast. Now, we're going to make amazing butter. And this is sort of the start of the most important part, keeping that bird incredibly moist. Soft butter.
There's a lot of juice in there, so I'll just have to do it when I... But that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Lemon, salt, pepper, parsley, butter,
Bacon.
and the zest and garlic. Bacon goes on top.
Yep.
I'm at that point right there.
Turkey's a very delicate, dainty meat. That's why we garlic.
Alright, we need the turkey out.
Flavors of turkey generally
So we're gonna put it on this one.
Yeah.
So it's a very, very, very lean bird and it dries out. So it's so important to make sure that we help it to cook perfectly. Butter done. Now prepare the turkey. We're seasoning the bird. Inside the goes mix 2 onions and
That goes something like
as they roast, they steam inside the bird, giving it a lovely
put some on.
spice. Lemon and a couple of bay leaves for their bitter, sweet, spicy flavour. Lining the inside. So now, we're going to make amazing butter. This is sort of the start of the most important part, keeping that bird incredibly moist. Soft butter. So just salt and pepper. We'll touch of olive oil.
That's a big one.
Fucking neck.
And the juice. This gives the flavour butter a wonderful sweet garlic.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's why with the garlic puree, so it sort of disintegrates. Flavors the turkey gently without becoming too overpowering. Then add a generous handful of
Oh, big bird.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm sorry, little guy.
So it's a very, very, very lean bird.
Does it matter if the arms kind of hang a little bit?
To make sure that we help him to do perfectly.
Well, we're gonna have to.
There has to be stuff put in place.
Okay, it's ready?
Dad.
He's just curious.
We need that out.
He's got this almost scientific mind with the thirst for knowledge. He's like this little Einstein. Some people ask, why? Luke asks, why not?
Dad.
Bottom one, what do you think? Yeah. Right there, huh?
We're at the one, Dad.
Why is she dressed like the Hamburglar?
She's a referee.
And then we're gonna put our ham later.
You got the handy one with the handles right here.
Yep.
Fountain pens on Japanese flower.
There goes the turkey times.
Oh boy. Starting with the weird accents.
I don't know what happens. It just happens. Alright, we gotta clean this shit up.
Okay, so right now I am peeling potatoes. My dog hasn't been feeling well today, so she's sleeping a lot. And then, I was watching Heartland. It's a Canadian series. Pretty sure almost everyone should know about it because it has a lot of seasons. It's on like 17. So let's get back to the potato.
That's the same camera that I have. But it's the same truck. I liked it because it had the trailer on it. I made the background black. You did all that, but
He's all prepared.
so you got to do this. This is for the DOT officer when you give it to him. I got to put a thing in the front with the numbers and stuff in the front.
We played with you already. Why do I have to play again?
And then you got
Lila, they're playing a game over there.
This is $1 million of insurance with $100,000.
I don't want to play again.
That's a UCR 2024 registration.
Come here, let me see it then.
2024. This has an EIN number, which is
Lila.
number of employees. This is the title for the truck, state of Ohio. And it says the name and everything of the truck on it. 2019 January, so I can take this to get my points and everything for the truck. So you gotta have this booklet with all this stuff in here for the DOT. If you pull go over, you go to an inspection. You have everything in order, or it looks like this professional. He is not gonna fucking. You know me. I don't fuck around. Helen did that on the computer.
That's a good sister, Helen. That's a good sister.
The logo for his thing, for his truck.
I don't know how to move all that stuff around and do all that.
Oh yeah, because she has the computer to do that.
She was all clicking and changing
Her
the
Apple
colors
computer.
and opening and closing. What's going on here?
Plus, she probably has apps on there that she bought. Oh.
Did you get gold?
Ah, that was my stomach.
Come on.
Come here. Let me see.
I got a fork.
So, I'm watching Mistletones on Hulu. I recommend watching it because it's very good. And, yeah, it is very good. Especially with, it's either Tamara, I think it's Tamara. I don't know how to say her last name, so I'm not gonna try. But anyway, she's a very good actress. So, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, in the last clip of my family. It may not be big, but we still go all out because we only do this once a year. So, yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving with all your families and everything. And even Christmas too, which is coming up sooner than we... sooner. It's coming up very soon, which is, wow. Year went by fast. Very fast. Anyways, with that being said also, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications for when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys till next time. Bye.